Welcome. In front of me is the ULEFONE Note 17 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. To get started, you want to swipe down from the top of the screen, and you want to do it twice. This will show you a bunch of toggles, and from here you want to find obviously the screen recording toggle. So for me, let's see if I can find it actually. Looks like it's not added by default. So in this case, I'm going to click right here on this pencil. I'm going to look for it in below right here, which shows me a bunch of toggles that are turned off, and I can add them. Which one of them is the screen recorder? Now once you see it, you can hold it, drag it over to the top right here above this writing, and when you drop it and go back, you should have it added on one of the pages. So there it is. From here, click on this toggle. I am going to turn off the microphone, which is enabled by default, and from here you can close it or also press play to start recording with this absolutely obnoxious sound. So from here, whatever you will open will be recorded. So let's just open up something like contacts maybe. And once you're done, you can interact with this little overlay right here and click on the red square, and this will again give you this absolutely annoying sound, and save it to your Photos application, which is located in the Google folder. So you can see it right here. It is going to be under album called Movies. So there we go. So this is how you would record screen on this device, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.